Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. Created by Isesaki FM's AI. On the 30th, Gunma Prefecture announced infectious disease trends for the week ending September 28. During this period, there were 47 cases of whooping cough, bringing the cumulative total since January of this year to 2,724. Additionally, there were 1.4 cases of fifth disease reported per designated medical institution. Meanwhile, the number of reported cases of COVID-19 per designated medical institution increased for the first time in 2 weeks. The number of reports of respiratory disease, respiratory syncytial virus infection, has been decreasing.